What?
Bro,
Hands IO, bro. Oh.
let's fucking go.
Okay, importing my task.
All right. What's the link? What's the link?
I'm just stuck in line. Oh, I passed. They have every size in stock.
No, it's not. It's not really in stock.
You're headed to check out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think every single size is in stock.
Yeah.
You can.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh shit! I've added to cart and finish line.
Wait, what did I check out on finish? Oh, I checked out on finish line.
What did I check out on finish line? Oh, I checked out on finish line.
I meant sold.
Attempting ATC on finish line.
Is it my
I
profile?
think we're gonna get stuck.
They're not even my own tasks. That's
Yeah, I just saw that, Jay.
Checking cart.
Splash.
No cyber checkouts.
Yeah, Cyber not working right now.
Yeah, I've added to
Phantom
cart and cyber.
on finish line.
Checking
Yeah.
cart on finish line.
Yeah, I'm checking cart.
I'm in queue on cyber.
It's arrived. It's finally here.
I'm just in queue on finish line.
how did I?
Come on. Damn.
I'm getting everything.
Yo, Tay's so pushy, bro. Damn.
Didn't say anything about
Mine is connecting at the moment. Experiencing some issues with our service and Cloudflare. Please bear with us on cyber. Nice.
Oh, you own cyber?
No.
Yo, Sam, don't drop money on bots.
Because they literally just posted it. That's what they do.
We're in a server. That's a
I'm in the
server
server,
relay, that's
and
why.
then yeah.
Are you fucking kidding me?
No, are you kidding
Bro,
me?
I get to the last part, and DSG says the size is out of stock.
Oh.
That happens so much.
Oh my god.
Payment declined.
For who?
Vic?
I'm getting a lot of declines now.
Yeah, for who?
Yeah, because you're on JD.
Yeah, it's JD.
Why would you run JD?
Lad, for who?
Miracle. I'm getting a lot of submitting order. It just all declines. Nice.
DT a lot just dropped.
Yeah.
Told you.
Oh no, they dropped flames.
God, don't scare me like that. God.
Y'all, they about to off themselves. I'm
Yo.
crying. Y'all better off yourself.
Fuck.
What the fuck was that?
Yo, dude, who was that? Dude gotta go.
I got a ding 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 ding. What the fuck is that?
The ding could be 12.
Oh, I hit! Thank God, bro. Fuck! I fucking hit, finally. What's the shit?
Oh,
Oh no.
calculating taxes.
Oh?
Submitting order.
Oh?
Error submitting order. Rate limited.
Oh. So
Error
I
close.
got
submitting order.
payment
Rate
decline.
limited.
I'm gonna kill myself.
So
Yeah.
close.
That's crazy. Why not? Got nothing to
That's
lose.
a total of 7 payment errors
Yeah,
today.
I feel that.
is where we're starting today. Alright, so here's what we're doing today. Basically, I'm going to go to Oohs and Ahs off of on Georgia Avenue in DC for some shrimp. And then I'm also going to kind of give y'all the rundown on a few things I want to talk about. Kind of course, being the drop recap from earlier in the video. And then also some other stuff that I just want to kind of let you all know about and kind of get y'all's take on. But the first thing before any of that is I was supposed to do a Q&A back at 1K subscribers, and now we are at 2K, and I still haven't posted that video. So I'm gonna post a tweet. I'm gonna have it right here. So basically, all you all have to do is just comment under the tweet stuff you want to ask me. You can also ask me in the comment section down below, and I would do my best to answer most of them. I'm pretty open, so y'all can basically ask me anything, but of course, don't start wilding out because I just won't answer like really, really wild questions. But for the most part, especially pertaining to shoes, y'all can ask me anything. And other than that, I will check in with y'all once I get to the restaurant. Alright, new day. It is a Chick-fil-A day, actually. So the reason why I'm doing this on another day, instead of getting the shrimp, was because the old footage, for some reason, I guess since I left the camera in the car when it was pretty hot, I guess the audio for some reason messed up. So I guess the audio messed up because when I was listening back to the footage, all you heard was this loud pop at the beginning, and then it just, you couldn't hear anything. And that's okay. Stuff happens, I know. So basically what I want to talk about was the foot site and Yeezy supply release, and also go over a few other things regarding my group. So to start off with foot sites, those were at 7 a.m. on Saturday, because it is now Monday when I'm filming this. Basically, you also did get one checkout on Toru. I've just come to the conclusion that I guess my proxies just weren't as good as I thought. And I've already made certain changes for that, just to kind of combat that on foot site specifically. I started around 20 to 25 minutes ahead of time, which is fine. And it just, I don't know. I'm testing this whole Aiden thing just to make sure that everything is cool with my profiles. And I didn't get a cancel, but I wanted to place more orders just to be sure. And you know, it sometimes it's just what happens. So with the 12s coming up, I'm possibly gonna try and buy a lot just so I can test mainly. But also moving on to Yeezy supply with Polaris and Splash Force. Splash Force did this last minute magic mode update, which kind of made Gmails at that point useless. Now I did get a couple of I think I had to solve 1,000. I solved 1,000 recaps on AutoSolve. But for you all who don't really know how recap works, if that whole 2-hour long drop would have been with a recap, that probably would have been around like 100,000 solves, 500,000 solves or something like that. So it definitely helped take ease off of the Gmails a lot. Now, what I only showed you all in the live cop was just all the actual success, but I will tell you all right now, I had around 63 declines total. I'm gonna leave it up in this corner right here, just so you all can see how many declines I truly got, because it was a lot. And at one point I thought I was address banned, and I'll be honest, I got really frustrated. Like, I stopped talking and everything, and I was just on the computer messing with profiles. I put in a privacy card. The privacy card started to get declined, and then I checked the declines on the card, and I saw that I had one decline so far for Yeezy supply. And the reason why was because the card had a $200 limit on it, so I switched the limits on all the cards, and I started to hit a little bit more. But I don't know what it was. It was like everyone with the Amex seemed to have a problem almost. I'm not sure if it was just a Polaris and Splash Force thing, because my friend who was also running Polaris and using Amex, he was having problems. But his bulk buyer, who he was also running on Polaris and runs an Amex, didn't have a problem. So I don't know what the case was with that, but I did hit for slots and I did hit for myself. So another thing I wanted to talk about was what I do kind of when there are no releases. So you can sell pools, you can do stuff like that, but another thing I like to do pertaining to bots specifically is bot flipping. If you all are interested, I'm gonna have details in the description below and possibly even on the screen, just kind of going over it's gonna be a free 1-month membership to my group Bot Kings, because I truly do believe that we have the best bot flipping of any Discord, and I just kind of want you all to experience that for yourselves. All the calls are done by myself and another member of the support team, and a lot of it for me specifically is just kind of knowing the bot trends. Like for instance, Splash Force, I've had it for around 3 years, so for me specifically, I kind of have learned the trend of the bot almost at the back of my hand, and I feel like actually having the bot really does help with knowing what's going to happen price wise, because for instance, when it came to Phantom, when Phantom shot up like a week or 2 ago, I don't have Phantom anymore, so I'm sitting up here asking my friends like, yo, why did Phantom just shoot up in value? And some of them, they were like, oh, they had this update. I'm like, well, what's the update? And they were like, advanced mode for easy supply. And I was like, well, is that the same thing as like Polaris's bypass? And they were like, I'm not sure, blah, 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 blah. And so for me, I just find having the bot really does help when it comes to bot flipping. And like I said before, if you all are interested, I'm going to leave instructions either on the screen or in the description down below for a free month in the group. I'm going to tell you all this now. If you do not want to be charged, please put in a privacy card or something like that. That way you can control if you are going to get charged much easier, because all you will have to do is just change the limit on the privacy card and then the charge will decline when that month is over. So other than that, I hope these releases did go really well for you all, and like I did say before, do leave me questions on Twitter and in the description below for the Q&A, because I will be doing that in next week's video. Next week's video will probably be for the Off-White 4s and the 12s that come out, and Off-White 4s are going to be its own story, but like I did say previously, be sure to leave me questions down below, and I hope you all really did enjoy this video. If you have anything else you would like to ask me, feel free to hit me up on Twitter. And other than that, I will see you all in the next video.